Alright my good people, now welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. Like this now, me don come your screen, me don come your domot with another breaking news, with another legit intel on the things and things wey dey go on for inside we nation Nigeria. Now my good people, I come to yarn you legit about the things and things wey dey happen for inside Edo State. And my good people, no be small thing dey happen o. You know say e get wetin country people dey like talk. They say there is no smoke without fire. Now e get one constitutional crisis like that for inside Edo State wey just dey spring up small small, e just dey start. This constitutional crisis now, e don take a dramatic turn on Monday wey be the 23rd day of December for inside this year 2024, as the Edo State governor wey be Monday Okpebholo and the Edo State House of Assembly come double down on their suspension of the 18 local government chairmen. And this their move so dey defy a high court order wey reverse the suspension of the local government chairmen dem and prohibit further interference in local government council affairs. And no be lie my good people, you know say on Friday, Justice Efe Ekponwoba of the Edo State High Court bin issue a mandatory injunction declaring the suspension null and void and restraining the state government and other parties from interfering in the local government operations until the substantive case is heard. Now even as court don drop order, state officials don get mind, they don boldly disregard the ruling, and that's na direct challenge to the judiciary. Now my good people, sharply make I break this matter down. You know say our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he been champion the restructuring and grassroots governance, and he been successfully secure a landmark Supreme Court judgment for inside the month of July. And this judgment dey affirm the financial and administrative independence of local councils. But now officials dey come outside dey yarn say the Edo State government dey don choose to openly defy the policy of our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and dey claim say Edo State laws dey supersede federal mandates. That is to say, when it comes to Edo State matter, our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu no get mouth, he no get force reach to come interfere. And all this level, so this crisis dey start when the Edo State governor wey be Monday Okpebholo bin issue a 48-hour ultimatum, and in dey demand say make local council chairmen dem submit their financial statement directly to him. And normally, sake of say our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don grant local government autonomy, these men now refuse to do wetin Edo State governor dey talk. And sake of say dem refuse to submit their statement to the Edo State governor, Senator Monday Okpebholo wey be the governor come petition the state assembly to suspend the chairmen dem. And according to Senator Monday Okpebholo wey be the Edo State governor, refusal to submit their financial statement is a gross misconduct under section 10(1) of the Edo State Local Government Law 2000. And where another palava dey be say, this particular law so wey the Edo State governor mention, the Edo State High Court bin don already declare am unconstitutional for inside one other separate judgment wey happen last month. Now despite the legal setback, despite the fact say Edo State High Court bin don already declare that particular law unconstitutional, the Edo State House of Assembly still get mind go dey suspend the chairmen and their deputies for 2 months, and by doing so they don disregard the authority of the judiciary and the Supreme Court their ruling on local government independency. So like this now, my good people, the Edo State government, their stronghead, e don extend beyond local disputes. This one now no be say na internal crisis, no be APC and PDP kwata. Now this is open contradiction. The things and things now wey the Edo State government dey do, dey go against the Attorney General of the Federation wey be Chief Lateef Fagbemi. And that na sake of say Oga Fagbemi bin don come outside dey yarn say na only local councillors, not governors, not state assemblies get the constitutional authority to suspend or remove elected local government officials. Now even as the Attorney General of the Federation wey be Chief Lateef Fagbemi come outside dey draw ear dey give Edo State and the governor, last the Edo officials plus Barrister Ewanta of the administrative panel of the governor still get mind go dismiss these legal realities. And the barrister sef come still get mind appear on national television dey make declaration say the constitution don place local government under state control and the law remains the law. make federal government comot body. And the barrister come still dey yarn o, say the financial autonomy wey Supreme Court declare is about giving the local government access, but that one no mean say state government no go get control over how they dey use the money. The Supreme Court cannot amend constitution. After yarn all these levels finish, another country person wey dey go by the name Kasim Afegboa, he na come outside dey add fuel to the fire. He na come outside dey yarn say the Attorney General of the Federation, yes, him be the law officer of the Federation, but he no dey represent the constitution of the country, and he no dey represent other laws made validly under the provisions of the constitution by the Edo House of Assembly. No be small matter like this, my good people. You know say after every the spokesperson of the Edo State governor come last come outside dey yarn say the decisions by the Edo State House of Assembly and the governor of Edo State, wey be Senator Monday Okpebholo, are entirely justified. Oga Fred, wey be the spokesperson of the Edo State governor, come still dey yarn say it is very much essential, it is very much important to know say the apex court, wey be the Supreme Court, is both a court of law and a policy court. And while im get the power to make policy decisions, it cannot exercise this power when the constitution is clear on the matter. The House of Assembly gets the powers to oversight the activities of the governor, and similarly, the governor has the right to exercise oversight over local government chairmen. And the current constitutional construct recognizes a two-tier federal design, and it is clearly stipulated in the constitution. No be small matter like this, so my good people. You know say as all these levels now dey happen for inside Edo State, one PDP chieftain now wey dey go by the name Honorable Ose Anine, he na don come outside dey describe the unfolding event. He na don come outside now dey describe the things and things wey dey happen for inside Edo State as a shocking rebellion against the rule of law and the authority of our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. According to how the talk take comot from him mouth, he say as a Niger Delta man wey him be, him dey give accolade to our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's bold strides towards restructuring, particularly his efforts to strengthen local government autonomy. And the thing now don burst their bubble to see say na APC governor, one of their own, gone, now they go against the judiciary and now they go against the presidency. How can a state openly defy a Supreme Court ruling? How can a state dismiss the Attorney General's directive? And how can a state undermine the flagship policy of our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu? Then he come dey yarn dey give our President plus Chief Fagbemi and security forces and even the judiciary so they intervene before this crisis now go come spring up out of control. Before this crisis now go come pass, be careful. This my good people, that the informate wey I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say now we be Anointed Lady TV, now we dey like give una legit intel on the things and things wey dey go on for inside we green white green country wey be Nigeria. So if you like this update and you go like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey come with the news, now you go first get the informate and you go get am sharp. And the comment side again with another legit intel for you, my good people. Try make it no go anywhere.